is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bluebird, flying overhead. C is for carrot, orange and tall. D is for daisy, white petals small. E is for elephant, gray and kind. F is for frog, green, jump in line. Let's sing our colors A to Z. So many letters for you and me. Red, blue, yellow, come and see a rainbow alphabet, happy and free. G is for grape, purple and sweet. H is for hat, pink and neat. I is for ice cream, cold and white. J is for jellyfish, glowing at night. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lemon, yellow like the sky. Let's sing our colors A to Z. So many letters for you and me. Red, blue, yellow, come and see a rainbow alphabet, happy and free. Let's sing our colors A to Z. So many letters for you and me. Green, pink, purple, come and see a rainbow alphabet, happy and free. M is for moon, shiny and bright. N is for nest, brown and light. O is for octopus, orange and cool. P is for penguin, black and blue. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow, all around town. Let's sing our colors A to Z. So many letters for you and me. Green, pink, purple, come and see a rainbow alphabet, happy and free. S is for sun, yellow and bright. T is for turtle, green delight. U is for umbrella, red and blue. V is for violet, purple hue. W is for whale, deep and gray. X is for xylophone, rainbow play. Y is for yarn, pink and new. Z is for zebra, black and white too. We sang our colors A to Z. You learned your letters just like me. Red to purple, what of you? A rainbow alphabet just for you.
M is for moon, shining bright. And you know your letters and colors too. See you next time for another adventure. Bye-bye.